So this is what happens when your really cool watch runs out of power. So this is, it's making this high pitched noise. I guess it's low power or low battery, so it's making a high pitched noise. But love this watch. I've been using it, and it's been about, I don't know, has it been a year? But the batteries are low, so it's making this really high pitched noise. I'm gonna have to find some way to turn this thing off, because it's just waking me up. You can probably hear it, right? Yeah, but it doesn't glow anymore because there's enough power. Anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and take this thing apart and probably replace the battery. I think it came with a spare battery. I need to find it. If not, I'll just go to Walmart or somewhere to buy a new battery, or just buy it online. I'll probably put the links below on how I open this thing up. I'll probably make a quick video a little later. Okay, see you next time, guys. Just a quick update. I love this watch. This is my Divison special edition Divison watch. I love this thing, but I guess it's making this racket because it's out of power. We're running out of power. Anyways, see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.